guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. And yes, I'm doing 2 videos in one day, but as you can see by the title, you already know what we about to do. So first, find a picture that you really want to do. Then you want to crop the picture. Me being lazy, I didn't really crop it until now. Next, go to tools and then click curves. Click the circle, then click the color red and drag the thing all the way down, and of course when you do that, it turns it blue. Next, go to draw and then click the 3 dots, then click save image. Then click cancel, and after that you click undo. Then you want to go back to add photo and then click the blue one that you just saved. Then after, you get the picture and you zoom out, and then you zoom the picture in to where it fits the other picture. Next, you want to go to blend, then click on lighten or screen. Anyone will work. Then you click add photo, and then you pick the picture that you search for. The picture right now that I have, that I'm cropping right now, I searched up VHS static. Next, click blend and choose lighten or screen. Just to let you guys know, I will be doing cartoons for people that start to get active, and I'll choose at least 2 people. And you can lower the opacity if you needed to, and I lower my opacity to 81. Then I added another effect that I wanted, and then I'm doing the same step, cropping it out, then fitting it into the picture. Now that I'm on blend, you can choose lighten, screen, or overlay. Remember, lower the opacity if you need to. Okay, so here's my final look. Make sure you guys like this video and comment recommendations, and subscribe too. Thank you.